Alright, I just got a humidifier out I had in the closet for a long time. I think I'm going to be needing it with a dry heat. Maybe you can see the steam coming out of it. Or the humidity. Maybe not. They're trying to get it here. Light on over here. Now you can see it. It's really putting out quite a cloud. That's a nice night light there. You can have that on or off. This is on the low speed. And as you can see, puts out quite a mist. On low, so high, it would really put it out. That container is all but full last night. And it still has a lot in the bottom yet, so even though it's putting out a lot, it seems to last in the water container. And this is a pure Mistaire silver humidifier. And so far I'm really satisfied with it. I don't think it's really expensive. I can't remember, I bought it so long ago and never got it out till this year. One of my health conditions are seeming to warrant it now more. So there you have it. I just thought I'd make a short video on it. It has high and low speed, and high and low with the night light on or off. And plugged it in, filled it up, and it's been working fine. I set it on low with the night light on. Sort of a neat effect in a way. You know, if you like a night light like that. Or if you have a roommate, it's just a neat effect, and it helps you get around and see too, so. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, there you have it. I just want to make a short video on this. And, I guess that'll be it for now. See you all, you folks, later. Bye-bye.